Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to easily view app permissions in Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. So before starting the video, don't forget to subscribe the channel and also press the bell icon. So first of all, open settings. Now in settings, scroll down and here click on apps. Now in apps, click on this. First of all, open the app, and after opening the app, click on permissions, and then click on this three dot more icon, and from here click on all permissions. So from here you can easily view app permissions. So these are the all permissions that your app use in your mobile. So that's how you can easily view app permissions in Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. So I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.